All right, fifth graders, welcome to our fourth writing prompt. Again, we are working on writing a memoir piece for future generations to learn about what it was like to live through this global pandemic. Again, this is a huge, huge, huge point in history, and nothing like this has happened in the last 100 years. So it is really important that we document all of this information down. Our writing prompt for today is: when was the last time you left your house other than a walk? Where did you go and who did you see? So this prompt is not necessarily life right now. When was the last normal time you left your house? So it was probably a normal to leave then. So a typical day, how did you feel when you left? So that would have been like the last day of school. What did it feel like? Did you ever anticipate any of this happening? Have you ever heard of coronavirus up to that point? What did that day look like? So I want you to provide your readers with a flashback of what a typical day looked like before all of this happened. So what were you doing? What did you experience? What was normal? What did you normally do during your daily activities, and what your day looks like, basically. So you're going to write that in prompt number 4, again, about 4 sentences, adding detail and description. When you're done, make sure you turn it in so I can read your comments and your material. And then your brainstorming question that I want you to answer is, I got a typo here. Should be boom, boom. There we go. When do you predict life will go back to normal? When do you think this is all going to be over with? Do you think it's going to be over with in 2 weeks? Do you think it's not going to be over with until July? Do you think it'll last until November? Do you think it'll be done in 2 or 3 days? Maybe they'll find a cure tomorrow. When do you think life will go back to normal? Write your answer in complete sentences. And as always, I'm looking forward to reading what you guys are writing. Take care and start writing away.